Hello guys. Today we are going to talk about how to prep your computer to survive the death of Windows 10. Windows 10 will be turning 9 years old on its demise. Windows 10 is still currently rocking the market share, while Windows 11 sulks. As we can see, Daddy Gates from Microsoft has recently been smoking things, and is cutting support on Windows the 10th of October 14th, 2025. While Windows 11 remains a shit show, and we don't know if we will even get Windows 12 for users who want to ride out Windows 10 until critical software support gets cut. I will be showing you how to survive. Windows 10 end of life will mean no more security updates, so your computer will be vulnerable, and no more updates, which will mean instability and bugs that will not be fixed. So, how do we protect ourselves? Let's go over how. Antiviruses will be essential since Windows Defender will be useless once all security updates are cut. So with no real built-in way to protect your PC, you are going to need one of these babies. And I repeat, do not get McAfee. Its adware and is as hard to get rid of as Microsoft Edge. Some good antiviruses include Norton, Malwarebytes, and PCmatic. Almost all of these antiviruses are paid and must be subscribed to, except for Malwarebytes. This can be a very useful extra layer of security, so make sure you get one. All of the VPNs featured on the screen are all good ones. My favorite is NordVPN since it is very easy and does the job. The third part of keeping your PC alive is by not going onto sketchy websites. I repeat, do not go onto sketchy websites. But anyway, that's all for today's tutorial, guys. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Do it. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Goodbye.